Fire safety is important for everyone. For those who are hearing impaired, making sure they have a device like this one is imperative. That's a special device here that alerts them to a fire. 10 on your side's Ashley Knight explains how it works.
Well, the Virginia Beach Fire Department has already given out dozens of devices like this one. It's called a bedside fire alarm. It's an impressive piece of technology that could help save even more lives. When it comes to an emergency, time isn't on your side.
Smoke and fire, they travel really fast, and you have to be able to get out of your house quickly.
And fires don't discriminate. That's why this device, unlike any other,
fire, get out,
relies on one sense of touch to alert them to a fire.
Make sure that they have something that works in their home that will alert them in case of a fire emergency in the evening. Times when they take out their hearing aids, things of that nature.
Those who are deaf or hard of hearing now have a fire alarm tailored to their needs. It pairs with any smoke alarm and responds with an alert.
Fire, get out.
And a shake.
Get out.
You can feel it through the pillow or definitely underneath the bed. But it's with the smoke alarm. Once the smoke alarm activates, it takes 3 beeps, 3 to 5 sometimes, and then the magic of all that stuff works.
Master firefighter Ned Lowry says he made sure his dad uses one.
You know, he lost his hearing, during flying aircraft in the military and everything. So, he's that type of person that, along with all the other people who are using these, that would not hear a regular smoke alarm.
The fire department applied for a grant through FEMA and waited 2 long years before being approved, giving them the funds to purchase and install these fire alarms in dozens of homes across Virginia Beach. It's something that actually gives these guys more peace of mind as well.
And I just love playing a part in knowing that people are going to get that early detection and that we can save lives.
This is just another opportunity for the homeowner or occupant to get out safely and allow us to go in there to fight the fire instead of having to search for someone.
And the fire department still has a limited number left over. They tell me this is not a grant that they can reapply for next year, so when they're gone, they're gone. These devices normally cost about $250. To apply to get one for free from the fire department, go to wavy.com, click on this story. Ashley Knight, 10 on your side.